Hello guys, what's up? Today I will teach you how to make a game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now I will be using Trebedit. This is the editor that lets you do HTML, CSS, JavaScript on a phone. You can download this if you want, or you can use anything you want. You can use VS Code if you're on a PC. But let's start. I have made a project in here which is called Clicker. And if I open this, it's going to be empty because I don't have a file. Now you're just gonna follow and create a file in VS Code if you're on PC or Notepad, whatever you're using. I will just create a file called index.html first. Make sure you create that file. Now what you want to do is you want to first create a button for your game. So you want to do more. You can do a button here. So more button more, then you can do more slash. Then you want to close that button tag by just typing the same thing except you want to add a slash. There you have a button tag. Now in this you can type whatever you want. I'll do get $1 because you want to do that. Get $1. Now as soon as you do that, it's going to be creating a. Now to run my code, I'm gonna click on this and it's going to run that. And as you can see, I have a button saying get $1. Except this button doesn't do anything yet, nor we have a system for our money. So just do some lines here, and we're going to do a h1 tag. Now type h1 and then give this ID and then make that equals to. I will do text. You can do whatever you want. Now you can do more slash h1 more. Type that in. As soon as you do that, it's going to create a h1 tag. Now what do you want? Also, you want to do a side, this side here so that it closes. Oh wait, it closes the tag because I did it in advance, but this is better. So we have a simple tag. But here you want to type 0. So because you start with $0. So as you can see now, there is a tag with saying 0, except you don't get anything yet. So this is where we get. Now we want to add something else, like we want to actually do something. Now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and, guys, I tried to create a Python file in this, so doesn't matter. I will close that in. Now what do you want to do next is you want to create another thing which is going to be your now what do we want to do next is you want to use JavaScript. Now for that you can use a script tag. Now you think a script tag is pretty straightforward, but first you can give title to your game. I will define the head element. As you can see, you can define that in. So now you can type that out if you want to add tag. In this head tag, I'll give the title to our game. Now we can do. You can give the title to your game. As you can see now, if you run the game now, it's going to be called by the name file. But if you use this title tag inside the head element, now you can name your game. I'll call my Clicker tutorial because that's what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, we are going to type Clicker tutorial. So I'm going to do that, and now I'm going to do title. Type the title tag in. Now what that does do is that will just do that. Now your game will be, now your thing will be called project or web, whatever you're making will be called that. Next you can do what is you can go ahead and create a brand new file. You can first create a new folder which you can call JS, and I'll create a new folder which I'll call JS. And in this folder I'll create a new file. I will call this file index.js because main.js. No, main.js, call it that. And next you wanna go back to your, and you wanna get back to your thing. Then you wanna type in. Then you wanna link your file. Then you wanna link your file through. मैंने फिर पापा से पीसी बंद करवा देना मैं सर रखा अभी वीडियो में कट कर दूँ मैं सर रखा. So guys, you wanna do what? You wanna get down here and add the body tag. And I will add the body tag first, and then you can do, if you want, you do not add the body tag, but I will do body tag. Now what the body is pretty much just where you will do most of your HTML stuff. Now here you here you want to add the script tag. Now what I'm doing that is that you want to add a script tag here. Then you want to close that tag instead of just expanding it. Now you can use JavaScript through the script tag if you want, but for most of the time you want to do what I will link us what you want. I would recommend creating a new file. For that you want to link your .js file. You want to type the folder you created and then slash. Then you want to type the name of your file, which is main.js for me, So that will link that JS file to our game or whatever. Next, you want to add a on-click thing here. This will do something. This will run something that you have if you're creating or something. So as you can see, we have this basic HTML thing. Now what can we do here is we can get to that JS folder and edit our main.js file. Now here we are first going to create some variables. Like we can do two variables. First is money. Create a variable money and make that equal to 0, and yeah, you want to create another variable which is equal to, you want to create a null variable which is equal to 1. Make sure it's 1 not 0. This is going to be used for upgrades. So you want to create a function which I will do clicked CLICKED, and then you can do that, and then you can just go further and you can just do this, and then here you have a function clicked. Now you want to do money equals money when you have, and then you can do +1 because yeah. And after that you can type in document dot query query select or, and then you can type in hashtag text, and then you will do dot inner HTML is equals to money. Make sure you type that. Next you want to just go ahead and if you think of a secure enough you can just do it, but I will just do what I will just copy this. So make sure to add a semicolon here, so that copy that. I'm going to go here and on the on click event I'm going to put this click thing. Just save that, and next when you run your thing, now when you click on this it's going to give you $1, and it's going to, and this tag is going to display how much money you have. So that's, you made that. If you're here, that's good. Next what you want to do is you can now create a new button for upgrading, and we will make the tutorial too long, so we'll only add one upgrade. So we'll do button, create another button which we want to give, which I will have to give a on click event to. So we'll give an on click event to it, and then you can close it from here, and next you can type in +1 null. Next what you can do is you can also take how much cost you want it to be. So you can do cost dot 50. You can make it so that cost is dot 50. After that you wanna go ahead and wanna main.js thing, and you wanna get here, and you wanna, the first thing you wanna do is you wanna change this to null, because you created a variable up here. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. So also make it 1 not 0. Actually that's make that 1 because I don't want that any money at all. Go down and then create a new function which will be our upgrade function. Now function mult, I'll call it mult, you can call whatever you want. Now I will do that. After that you can make this function. Now what you will do here is you want to first add one. Now next you want to check if, for an if thing in the function, money being greater or equals to whatever you want. If you know how to, you can divide the price You can. I will teach you from the make a second part, and let's make it cost $50. So if you make it that it's either equal to 50 or more, then you should do something. Now you wanna do these, and then yeah, there you got if condition. And what you want to do is mul is equals to mul plus, and then you can do 1. Then you can check for. Now money is equals to money. Money is equals to money minus 50, and there you have it. Yeah, the function for your upgrade. Now what can you do is you wanna go back to your index.html. You wanna run here in the mult thing, mult. You wanna run the mult function here. There you run the mult function, and it's going to do that. And just to make it be more clear, you can do else thing. And in this else you can put if you do means if you don't have the enough the money. I'm gonna alert something here, which I will alert you don't have enough money to buy that. That should do that. That should do it. You can save your thing and run it. Go through index.html and run it. Now it says you don't have enough to buy that because I didn't have enough, but I will get enough real quick. So as you can see, also don't forget to do one more thing. Go to index.js and don't forget to copy this line right here on top. Don't forget to copy this line here. Copy that line and put that in here because that's kind of important in this. That line doesn't, that's pretty important. That line will update the text. Now start your game and click on the button to get money. Now we will have a simple game where you can click on the button to get money, and you can spend that to get double the money, to get more money per click. And it's also going to say that you don't have enough. So get enough money and then you can get stuff. So there you've got a basic clicker guarantee yourself. If you build this is your first HTML, and congratulations, you made your first game using HTML and JavaScript. So, bye.